Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are doing well. I am Dr. Smruti Rekha and I welcome you all to eTuition, Education for Better Tomorrow. It's a digital learning platform for Odia and English medium students. If you have not enrolled yourself with eTuition, please enroll immediately so that you won't miss any of the class further, as we provide quality education which will help you to build your career. So, children, without wasting much time, let us start today's class. If you remember, in the previous class, we have already solved problems from exercise 2.3 of chapter 2. So, in today's class, we will be discussing the problems from exercise 2.4. So, shall we start the class then? Are you all ready with pen and paper? Let us start the class then. So first we will solve some of the example problems, then we will go to exercise. Okay. So let us read the question then. The digit of a two-digit number differ by 3. If the digits are interchanged and the resulting number is added to the original number, we get 143. What can be the original number? So how to start with? So first we will consider the variable x as one of the digit. So let x be the digit in ones place. Okay. Then the other digit will be x minus 3. Then the number will be, how to get the number? So you have to add the place value of the corresponding number. So that means if x is in ones place, then the other digit, that is x minus 3, is in tens place. Correct? So what will be your number then? So your number will be 10 into x minus 3 plus x, that is equal to 11x minus 30. So now we are going to interchange the digits. So by interchanging the digits, you get what we get. So that means now x minus 3 will be in the ones place and x will be in the tens place. We get 10x plus x minus 3. Correct or not? So that is 11x minus 3. So now according to the question, if you add both the number, so that means the original number and the interchanged number, according to the question, if you add both the number, that is 11x minus 30 plus 11x minus 3 is equal to 143. So let us solve this. So you have 22x minus 33 is equal to 143. So your 22x is equal to 143 plus 33. So that is equal to 176. Then what will be the value of x then? So x is equal to 176 divided by 22. 176 divided by 22, which is nothing but equal to 8. Then what about the other digit then? Then the other digit is, so this is one of the digit. one digit, right? Then what about the other digit? So the other digit is x minus 3, that is 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5. 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5. So what will be your number then? So the number is, so because there is no space, I am just writing it here. So number is what? Number is 10 into 5. So that is 10 into 5 plus 8. So this is your original number, that is 58. You want to check whether by interchanging it is 143 or not? You can check it. Just add. So here you can just check whether it is 58 plus interchanging the number will be 85. So 58 plus 85 and the answer will be 143. So your answer is correct. So your answer is correct. So your original number is how much? It is 58. Okay children. So have you understood? थोड़ा दिमाग लगा के क्या करना है, इक्वेशन फॉर्म करना है, फिर इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करना है. दिस इज द बेसिक रूल इन ऑल द प्रॉब्लम्स रिलेटेड टू linear equation in one variable. Okay, so shall we go to the next example then? Okay, here comes the next question. Arjun is twice as old as Shriya. 5 years ago, his age was 3 times Shriya's age. Find their present age. So, first what we will do? We will consider Shriya's age as x. Okay. So, let me write. Let Shriya's age be x. Then what will be Arjun's age? Arjun's age is twice as old as Shriya. Then Arjun's age is 2x. Correct? Next. 5 years ago, his age was 3 times Shriya's age. So, considering x as the present age of Shriya, what will be the age of Shriya 5 years ago? So, Shriya's age 5 years ago is equal to x minus 5. Correct or not? Okay. So similarly, what will be Arjun's age? So Arjun's age 5 years ago is equal to 2x minus 5 is equal to 2x minus 5. So according to the question, 5 years ago his age was 3 times Shriya's age. So that means 2x minus 5 is nothing but 3 times x minus 5. Correct or not? So this is the equation which you need to solve to get the value of x. So if you reach to this equation, no, ये equation को अगर पहुंच गए, half of the problem is solved. So let us solve this equation now. So 2x minus 5, ब्रैकेट को ओपन कर लो, 3x minus 15. It implies x is equal to, so 3x minus 2x, x is equal to how much? This 15 will go to that side, that is 10 years. So x is equal to 10 years. So Shriya's age is 10. And what about Arjun's age? And Arjun's age is 2 into 10, that is 2x, that is 20 years. Okay. So you want to check 5 years ago whether the relationship is satisfied or not? See, Shreya says 5 PS before, it will be 5 PS, right? 10 minus 5, 5. And Arjun says 5 PS before, it is 20 minus 5, that is 15 years. So now you tell me whether this 15 is 3 times of that of 5 PS or not. Correct. So your answer is perfectly alright. So Shreya's age is 10 years and Arjun's age is 20 years. Correct, children? So shall we go to the next problem? So next is nothing but your exercise. So what I have done is, in case you won't find the question in your book, you misplaced your book, then right in the slide you have all the questions. Okay, so for that purpose only I have brought all the questions in the slides. So out of which, as usual, I will do 5 questions. So there are 10 questions, I believe. So I will do 5 questions for you, and remaining 5 you people have to do on your own. In case of your doubt, you ask me in the comment section. I will definitely get back to you. Okay, children? Okay, shall we start exercise 2.4 then? Okay, so one by one the question I will, so alternatingly I will take the questions and we will solve the question. Okay, so I am doing all even number of question. Okay, so let us start. A positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the number, then one of the new number becomes twice the other new number. What are the numbers? A positive number is 5 times another number. So, based on that, so let one number be x. Then the other number will be other number will be 5 times of that 5x. If 21 is added to both the number, if 21 is added to both numbers, numbers will be x plus 21 and 5x plus 21. Correct. Then one of the new number becomes twice the other new number. So it is very clear because the second number we have taken as 5 times the other number. So this is greater than the other number. So definitely 5x plus 21 is greater than x plus 21. करेक्ट है कि नहीं? कॉमन सेंस की बात है. इधर 5x जो था x का 5 टाइम्स था. करेक्ट ना? सो 21 ऐड होने से वो नंबर बढ़ता है या घटता है? बढ़ता है ना. सो जैसे पहले नंबर 21 बढ़ा वैसे 5x भी 21 बढ़ा. तो अभी 5x plus 21 is greater than x plus 21. Hope you have understood this. So what is the relationship between 5x plus 21 and x plus 21 now? It is one of the new number becomes twice the other new number. So the equation is 5x plus 21 is equal to what? Twice the other new number. So 2 into x plus 21. So it implies 5x plus 21 is equal to 2x plus, okay, so that is 42. So 5x minus 2x. So 5x minus 2x is equal to 42 minus 21. So your 3x is equal to 21 and your x is equal to 21 divided by 3, that is 7. Then what about the other number then? Then the other number is 5x, that is 5 into 7, that is 35. So the numbers are 7 and 35. You want to check the other relation set? You check. Suppose 21 will be added to 7. It is 30. So 30. Right. And 21 is added to 21 is added to 7. That becomes 28. 21 plus 7 is 28. And 21 is added to 35. Answer is how much? It is 56. Now 56 is twice the 28. Correct or not? So the second condition is also getting satisfied. So this is other way where you can confirm whether your answer is correct or not. Okay children. So this example is this first question of your exercise is over. So this is the second bit of your exercise 2.4. So now let us go to the next problem. That is question number 4. Question number 3 आप लोग को करना है. One of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digits of this two digit and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number? So similar problem we have already solved in the example. So it is very simple now for you. So क्या करना है पहले? So let one digit be x. Then the other digit will be how much? 3x. 3 times है ना इधर. 3 times the other digit. 3 times the other digit है ना. So 3x. एक x होने से दूसरा 3x. If you interchange the digit of this two digit number and the so first original number निकाल लेते हैं. So the number is so because we have considered one digit be x and let this one digit be x जो है ना ये है तुम्हारा so let x be is in this is in ones place and this is in tens place. Okay, so what will be the number? So the number is 3x into 10 plus x. So remember, while finding out the number, we are finding the place value of each digit in the number, then we are adding it up. So in this case you will get how much? 3x into 10 plus x. So that means it is 31x. If you interchange the digit of this two digit number, okay, so if you interchange then 3x will be in ones place and x will be in tens place. Then the number will be, then the new number will be how much? It is equal to x into 10. So 10x plus 3x, that is 13x. Now according to the question, if the original number is added to the resulting number, the summation is 88. That means according to the question, your 13x plus 31x is equal to 88. It implies 44x is equal to 88. So what is the value for x then? X is equal to 2. So एक digit तुम्हें मिल गया जो ones place में है, that is 2. So what about the other digit? So this is the digit in the ones place. So the other digit is, so the other digit is equal to how much? That is 3x, right? So 2 into 3, that is 6. So the number is, so the number is 6 into 10 plus 2, that is 62. अभी 62 को उल्टा कर लो, 26 ऐड कर लो, 62 से 26 कितना होता है? 88. So the other condition is also satisfied and whatever the result you have got is correct. Okay. So shall we go to the next problem then? Okay. So there is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Mahuli village. The name of the village is interesting. Correct है ना? अच्छा. There is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Mahuli village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. At the rate of 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? कैसे करेंगे अभी? तो इसका जो मेन इक्वेशन तुम्हें निकालना है वो पहले इधर से. द रेशियो ऑफ द टू साइड इज 11:4. ओके, सो लेट द लेंथ and breadth of the plot be what? 11:4 ratio maintain करना है. So 11x and 4x respectively. Okay, तो तुम्हारा लेंथ है 11x and breadth is 4x. At the rate 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat. So that means if cost of fencing is 100 per meter and total cost is 75,000 rupees, then fencing किधर करते हैं? Where do you put the fencing? It is in the perimeter, right? So then the perimeter of the plot is equal to, कैसे निकालेंगे? टोटल कॉस्ट से पर रेट का कॉस्ट को डिवाइड कर देंगे, राइट? सो डिवाइडेड बाय 100, so 750 meter. So the perimeter is 750 meter. So what is the formula for perimeter of the rectangle? Anyone can give the answer in the comment section. Come on. Correct. It is 2 into length plus breadth. Correct. So that is equal to perimeter of rectangle. Correct. So now we will just put the variables which we have considered in place of length and breadth. So 2 into length kitna? That is 11x. Breadth how much? It is 4x. That is equal to perimeter kitna mila? 750 meter. It implies 22x plus 8x is equal to 750. So that means your 30x is equal to 750. So what about x then? So x is equal to 750 divided by 30, that is 75 divided by 3. So your 25. So what about your length then? So your length is equal to how much? Length is 11x. So 11 into 25. So 11 into 25 is 275 meter. So what about the breadth? So breadth is 4x. है कि नहीं? So breadth is equal to 4 into 25, that is 100 meter. So your length is equal to 275 meter and breadth is equal to 100 meter. Correct? So this is the dimension of the plot. Okay. So if you want to have the perimeter, you can just calculate. So 2 into 275 plus 100 is equal to 375. 375 into 2 is how much? 750. So your answer is absolutely correct. So let us go to the next question. Okay. So here comes the next question. Half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field and three-fourths of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. So let the number be how much? X. Then the number of deer grazing in the field is equal to x by 2. 3/4 of the remaining x minus x by 2 is half. So without calculation also we can do. So the number of the playing nearby is equal to 3 by 4 into x by 2, that is 3x divided by 8. The rest 9 are drinking water. So the rest 9 are drinking water. Okay. So the total number of deer in the herd is equal to how much? X by 2, that is number of deer grazing, plus number of deer playing 3x by 8, plus number of deer drinking 9. So that is equal to how much? That is equal to x. So now your equation is ready to solve. 9 is equal to x. So let us solve this equation. So your answer is x minus x by 2 minus 3x by 2, 8, that is equal to 9. So by transposing, this positive will become negative when it will go to the other side. करेक्ट है कि नहीं? तो अभी इसका सॉल्यूशन निकालते हैं. डिनोमिनेटर हो गया तुम्हारा 8. सो 8x minus 4x minus 3x is equal to 9. वेरी सिंपल. इधर ऊपर तो x ही आ गया है. सो 8 is equal to x is equal to 8 into 9, that is equal to 72. So number of deer in the herd is, so number of deer is 70 है कि नहीं? Okay, let us go to question number 10. A man's age is 3 times his son's age. A man's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. Find their present age. So, ऐसे प्रॉब्लम ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं. So, let हमेशा याद रखो जो छोटा वाला होता है ना उसको तुम वेरिएबल के हिसाब से एक्स वाई करके ले लो. लेट सन्स एज बी एक्स, देन मैन्स एज विल बी 3x. 10 years ago सन्स एज कितना, अभी अगर x होगा 10 ईयर पहले कितना था, x माइनस 10. Then similarly 10 years ago man's age would have been how much, 3x minus 10. Then what is the relationship? Actually he was 5 times his son's age. So now this 3x minus 10 is nothing but equal to 5 times x minus 10. Okay, so solve the equation. 3x minus 10 is equal to 5x minus 50. So 5x minus 3x is equal to 50 minus 10, that is 40. So 2x is equal to 40. It implies x is equal to 20. So what about man's age then? So man's age is equal to 20 into 3, that is 60 years. Okay, so son's age is 20 years and man's age is 60 years. Correct? So इस तरह का हमने 2-3 प्रॉब्लम ऑलरेडी कर लिए हैं. So there should not be any doubt in this age related problems. Correct है ना? So you solve more and more number of problems, your concept will be more clear. And don't forget to solve the problems, okay, which I have not done. That is all the odd number of questions. That is question number 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Okay, so that is homework for you. Please do it. In case of any doubt, please ask in the comment section. If you have liked my video, please share with your friends. Thank you children for your patient hearing, and till the next class, keep smiling. Okay children, and don't forget to follow us in YouTube, Twitter and Instagram. Bye. Take care.